HCIP-Datacom-Advanced Routing and Switching Technology V1.0 H12831_V1.0-ENU Real updated questions are the best preparation material for you to pass this Huawei exam. 1. Which statement about DHCP snooping is wrong? A. DHCP snooping can prevent illegal attacks by setting trusted ports. All interfaces are untrusted by default. B. Enable the DHCP snooping function globally, and the device only processes DHCP-v4 packets by default without any post parameters. C. When the DHCP snooping function is enabled in the interface view, all DHCP packet commands on the interface will take effect. D. When the DHCP snooping function is enabled in the VLAN view, the command function will take effect on the DHCP packets received by all the interfaces of the device belonging to the VLAN. 2. In addition to the virtual connection, what type of IPv6 address is the source IPv6 address of the hello packet of OSPF-v3? A. IPv6 anycast address. B. Unique local address. C. Global unicast address. D. Link local address. 3. The role of link LSA in OSPF-v3 does not include A. Advertise the IPv6 prefix list of this interface to other routers on the link. B. Advertise the router's interface ID to other routers on the link. C. Advertise the link local address of this interface to other routers on the link. D. Advertise the options set in the network LSA originating from this link to other routers on the link. 4. Which of the following will not cause the VRRP backup group to flap? A. The VRRP backup group preemption delay configuration of the two countries is inconsistent. B. Packet loss on the backup device interface. C. The time interval of the notification message is too small. D. Link flapping for transmitting VRRP advertisement packets. 5. Regarding multi-instance MCE, multi-VPN instance CE, MCE, which of the following descriptions is wrong? A. On the MCE device, you need to create their own routing and forwarding tables for different VPNs and bind them to the correct interface. B. Users who are connected to the same MCE but do not belong to a VPN instance cannot access each other. C. Devices with MCE function can access multiple VPN instances in BGP MPLS IP VPN applications, reducing the investment in user network equipment. D. There must be multiple physical links between MCE and PE to achieve isolation between different VPN instances. 6. The ORF function of BGP can control the routing entries sent by neighbors. In order to achieve this purpose, the BGP router will send a list of routes to be filtered to the neighbor. Which tool is generally used to send the list to the neighbor? A. ACL. B. Filter policy. C. IP prefix list. D. Route policy. 7. Which of the following descriptions about BGP MPLS IP VPN data forwarding is wrong? A. When data is transmitted in the BCP MPLS IP VPN backbone network, it always carries two layers of labels. B. The inner label of data forwarding is allocated by MP BGP C. The outer label of data forwarding can be assigned by LDP D. The data sent by PE to CE is IPv4 packet. 8. What is the most effective way to view device alarms through CLI? A. Display interface brief. B. Display clock. C. Display alarm. D. Display current configuration. 9. After configuring the VLAN-based MAC address flapping detection function, if the MAC address flaps, you can configure the actions of the interface as required. Which of the following is not a configurable action? A. Traffic filtering. B. Send an alert. C. Interface blocking. D. MAC address blocking. 10. In the test phase of the cutover, the criteria for indicating that the test has been completed are: A. The configuration view result of the IP device is normal as the standard. B. Test that the network service is normal as the standard. C. The network is based on the normal test of my upper layer application business. D. It is standard to check that the network is running normally.